Welcome to the Lloyd platform. Here you have access to create agreements, create a task, and upload pre-existing documents to be validated and verified by an attorney. For the purpose of this demo, we will be creating an NDA. This holistic workflow ensures everything you need is in one secure space. When creating agreements on the Lloyd platform, please know that all of our agreements are localized and vetted by attorneys in specific jurisdictions. We have contracts for different industries, and for this demo, we will be using a non-disclosure. As you can see, when you open the non-disclosure, it gives you a paragraph that explains what an NDA is. Now we click Create. When you click Create, the document already populates information you initially entered when signing up on the platform. As you can see, the info that you initially put in is now auto-populated in Party 1. Now we add the counterparty. You can start by putting in the counterparty's company name. Next, we move on to inputting the company's address. Once we have put in the company address, we move on to the country that the company is in. Next, we put in the company registration number. We now type continue. Next, what is the project or subject matter of this NDA? Here you have the ability to put in what the project is about. This helps the counterparty understand the exact scope and intention of the agreement. Next, we put in the duration. Most common is 24 months. Next, do you want to add a non-circumvention clause? And if you don't know what a non-circumvention clause is, you can ask Vega AI. Vega AI is our legal agent which explains your contract terms in layman's terms. As you see, Vega AI is now answering your question. Now you can understand what a non-circumvention clause is, so you can choose whether to add it or not. How would you want to resolve these disputes? By court or by arbitration? This is something that varies depending on the business. And lastly, if there are disputes, what country will this be governed by? Now you have the ability to save your file, name your file, and choose a folder that your file is going to be in. Not only can you do that, you can also add designated members of your team to this document. Now you can see you are saving your file. This is generating your document for review. Now the platform is generating the document. While it processes, the file is automatically saved. As we scroll down this document, you see that you can already sign this agreement. Not only can you sign this agreement, but you can make changes on the document, track these changes, send to an external party by inputting their email address. They will be notified via email. You can add approvals. You can clone your document. Now we will move on to the next feature, which is creating a task. Here, you could add a task that could be associated to the document. For example, sign NDA test 2. You can add a description and assign the task to a specific team member. This allows you the full life cycle of your document. As you see, everything is categorized on your customizable dashboard.